Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the Bullet's wireless C2 ready. Make sure they aren't buried under clothing and have at least a minimal charge. Locate the inline multifunction power button on the neckband and stop any playback first. Press and hold that power button firmly. You're listening for a tone, voice prompt, or LED turning off. This long press is the direct power off command. Do it steadily for the full second or two so the headset registers the input and then releases. Once the earbuds are off or idle, next disconnect from your device. On your phone, end any call and stop media so no audio hangs during the process. Open Bluetooth settings, find Bullet's wireless C2, and tap disconnect to sever the current session. Choose unpair if you want to remove the saved link. Doing this prevents auto-reconnect and clears temporary states. Make sure the earbuds show as disconnected on the phone before moving to any reset or storage steps. To finish, if a normal long press didn't switch the bullets off, try a forced reset. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until LEDs change or you hear a reset tone. This clears stuck states. If the lights behave oddly, place them on charge for 10 to 15 minutes and then attempt power off again. Make sure your firmware is current through the OnePlus app. Updates often fix power or pairing glitches, which keeps shutdown reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.